Can you hear me through mic? Yes. Okay. Switchboard. Let me arrest this guy. Don't shoot him.
Drop your weapon! Get those hands up! Hands in the air! Get down!
Wait, I want him.
Entry team to talk. Suspect is secured and ready for transport.
Roger that. Standing by for further reports.
Okay. Lock picket. Okay, wait here for the guys to come down. I'll make him vulnerable to us. Nobody fire.
Police! Drop your weapons! Get down! Up and get down!
Talk, this is entry team. Suspect secure and ready for evac.
Okay, take
Copy.
it upstairs.
We'll be ready for it.
Upstairs. Lord, I'll take it. Let me arrest him. I know how to do that.
Drop your weapons! Hands up!
Talk, this is entry team. Suspect cuffed and secure for transport.
Copy. Keep it up.
Entry team to talk. There's a down suspect here.
Copy.
Talk, this is entry team. We have a dead suspect.
Roger that. Medical assistance awaiting all clear.
Entry team to talk. There's a down suspect here.
Roger that. EMTs are awaiting all clear.
Suspect killed.
Copy. Medical assistance standing by. EMTs are Stanton's awaiting all clear.
Okay. Probably upstairs.
Follow me.
Talk, this is entry team. Suspect killed. Talk, this is entry team.
Copy.
We have a dead suspect.
EMTs are standing by. Copy. EMTs are standing by.
Entry team to talk. There's a down suspect here. Officer down, ready evac.
Roger that. Roger that. Medical assistance awaiting all clear.
You good, bro? Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Can you hear me?
But we arrested a few, so I don't think we did all bad.
Can you hear me?
At least some people will survive this.
Drop your weapons! Get those hands up! Drop your weapons!
This is entry team.
Get
Suspect
down!
killed.
Roger that. Medical assistance awaiting all clear.
Talk, this is entry team. Suspect secure and ready for evac.
We arrested and killed
Copy.
him.
We'll be ready for them.
How was that? I just got another house!
You good?
Talk, this is entry team. We have a dead suspect.
You good? You good? You good?
Copy. EMTs are standing by.
Talk, this is entry team. Suspect killed.
Copy. EMTs are standing by.
Talk, this is entry team. We have a dead suspect.
Bro, are you good?
Roger that. Medical assistance back.
Uh-oh. You good? are. Oh, if we get separated, that could be it. Why would you do that without me? Okay, don't worry.
Talk.
Roger that. Medical assistance awaiting all clear.
Talk, this is entry team. Talk, this is entry team. We have a dead suspect.
Roger that. Roger that. EMTs are awaiting all clear.
Congratulations, entry team.